What's up, guys? Okay, this is my biggest day of the month, maybe the past 2 months, really. And it's just 2 trades, and I'm just gonna go over Amazon real quick because it's just one quick trade right off the bat. The only reason I took Amazon long right here was because this candle right here. Let me just make this bigger. It looked like it was reversing, and it also broke this this trend line. This is the 1 minute chart. I really like taking Amazon long. I've been looking for longs on Amazon, so anything like this, like a clear trend break, especially at the beginning of the day when it can really get going. These candles, they showed that it was reversing trend, and it was bouncing off. It looked like it was bouncing off this EMA. So I took the long there, 40 shares, and I got out at around the double top 40 shares just for the scalp trade, and that was a pretty nice trade. Could have, like every other trade, could have done it better, but I was happy with that trade. But the real thick of it, because I made 489, and it actually came out to 475 after commissions. That's how good I traded today. Like, very little trades, very little commissions, and huge profits. This is really something to be proud about for me. And this is something I've been watching for the past week. Let me pull up. I'm sure I've talked about it in past videos that I can't remember if I have, but Baba, the cup and handle, and it worked beautifully today. I first got in it after this candle right here, this rejection candle. Got in on this day, and I got in on this on my TEF's account too, so I made real money today too, not just paper money. And I also traded Amazon today on my TS account too. So, what am I at? Yeah, I did really good today. I made I'm at 114 for total P&L, but I locked in profits $78. I locked in those profits because I've been swinging Baba with only like 8 shares, and I took a lot of profits today because it came straight to the top. So tomorrow, don't know what it's going to do. It could very easily continue, but it could also very easily hit this double top, or hit this resistance right here and fail. I think some people will probably be looking for it to, this is a big move, so I think I wouldn't be surprised, I guess, if it hit the top, rejected, came down to like right here, somewhere in this area, somewhere where it supports, where support is, and then keep going and making new highs. I definitely wouldn't not. I feel like that it's very possible that it could happen, but you never know. So I'm prepared. If it makes new highs, I'm probably going to add. If I see it at the time, I probably will add. Or if it comes down during the day somewhere to these support lines and I see some sort of reverse trend, I'll probably add to my position because I only have a couple shares left. This was a really good trade, and I did it on paper too. I did the swing trade and the on paper and real money on my TF's account. So after I got in on this day, the past 3 days have just been kind of setting up, consolidating, and I had no reason to get out. Each day has kind of solidified my thought process that it was going to break out soon. And honestly, I didn't expect it to break out like this, but it was nice. And let's get to the entries and exits. I already said where I entered. Let's just get to the exits real quick. On here, the exits were took profit. I took some profits, half profit right here, because I thought it could be making a head and shoulders right there. It looked like a head and shoulders, so / lower high. So I wasn't just going to take the chance, never really know, because I was also watching this trend line right here on the daily chart. So I figured take profits right here just to be safe. And then it kept going. It was very strong. Took more profits at, it looked like it was starting to lean. It could start falling, so I took more profits there. And on paper, I actually got out all of it right here because this was definitely making a head and shoulders, which it was so strong today that it didn't even care. It kept going. It finished really strong. So yeah, I mean, tomorrow's going to be pretty cool to see. Pretty good day. And also, just going back over Amazon real quick, I really do like Amazon. I do have, like, I can only afford one share of Amazon, and my thought process on this is that, you know, it's just been so bullish recently and I do expect the market to correct at some point soon. Like, I understand it, and I accept it, I expect it, but until then, I'm going to try and make as much money as possible by slowly riding it up. And during the day, I'll take, just like that, I'll take long positions, because just looking for places to go in long and getting out safely on Amazon, I feel like that's just a really good play for, especially for the TEFs account with the commissions and everything, because you're basically spending nothing on commissions. So that's just what I'm doing, and this is pretty easy too. The reverse right here, and it gapped up a little bit and then it broke out. So that, I mean, Amazon's just a pretty easy chart to read. It's really fun. I had a lot of fun doing this stuff. Got a nice haircut, got my bought suits, I'm ready for my interview, all the good stuff. So today was a pretty good day. I didn't get to do any schoolwork, so I should get back on top of that tomorrow. But as long as this is going on, it's gonna be hard to find time because, well, no, I'll talk tomorrow. Anyways, I do work tomorrow. Anyways, good. That's a long enough video. I'll end it here.